Hi and welcome, and today we create a pyramid but with three different modes: ein time with letters, ein time with numbers, and ein time with custom user input, means the user writing something and it printing a pyramid. No, first of all, I create a boolean. Program is open. We initialize it as true. Then we create a while loop. We simple say program is open. Is a typing fail. Just this means then if it is true, also while it is true, it loops the code between this. Now we need to create first something like this. And so then again this, and then now we create a character, because this can hold numbers and single letters, and simple cin option. Now we need to create a switch statement, because the if statement is not looks then like messy. Case 1, case 2, and case 11 or small e. 10 on each a break, because if you don't write a break, then if it's for example case 1, then it will run case 1 and then every other until it ends. Break. We save this, and now in case this is fast, this make me fast. Application get closed, something like this, and we simple set program is open to false, and this will make the loop ending false. You can just write 1 or something like this. Now if we write e, have nothing, right? Nice. Alright. I don't know. No, we do begin with the number. That's case 0. We test it if it works. Yes, it works. And yeah. Now we do simple what we need to create. We need to create a vector what holds integers. We call it, I don't know, user input, And we need to include vector, sorry I forgot. And now we simple make 1 to we make 0 to 9, and now we have the file. We cannot create for here also 2. Here we need a character, the input, user input, and here we do simple, we make large character, why not? And here on end a semicolon. Alright, and now in this case can we create a array of characters? Maybe this char make me 50, and it calls user input, and yes, this works. 10. We need first to test if it works. This can we do with this. Create 50, and here simple cout user input I. Die should work. Case 2. Input custom input like this. Maybe we need to do this because it's a character. If yes, sorry, it's my mistake. Yeah, okay. No, but these mistakes happened everyone. No, ABC. Okay, it works. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, reach the null character. Something like this, right TV, and yes, cout typ sits of typiert the sits of ur parameter, and we say something like max 25. 10 before we create a integer sitze, simple like this, and we initialize it to 0. If sitze is a great, also larger or 52 or I mean 25 or smaller 0, then do this, or we do more like if oops, like this 2v, and here to 25. And here we do simple the same, just which one. So it is 1, so it says 25. I mean 26, sorry. Now we have this check too. And now we can begin, which we forgot somewhere. No, this is wrong. We have here a semicolon. And now we begin with the pyramid. I think we have now everything. Then we need it like here, we need the custom user input. This will be a char. Names user input, which the size of 26, because the 0. I mean, yeah. And is there some problem? Ah, sorry. No, it should work. Yep. Char user input 26, simple user input here, and here we ask about characters. And we do it test now for this. And line, cout, I++, and integer I, we make it to 0, and test with this now. 2, 25, well, okay, that's good, but we need to test this, and without 10th line, because it's then hard to read it. Anyway, it works. Now we have the custom user input. Save it into an array of characters. Now we begin to create the pyramid. And before I forgot, here we do 0. Begin with first, which the case 0, this the simple one. There we do simple for loop. We forgot here the size of the pyramid. We just copy this and do this here, and we copy this in case 0. And do this here too. Now we're gonna create the pyramid. These two which are for loop make it. We can do a range based for loop like I user input. No. We need it to do which a normal for loop. Integer I 0, I is like size, and I++. Now it repeats so much times we did the size of it. Now cout user input I, its case 0, 1 2 3 4. Alright, and we need to S because of for the test. Alright, okay. Now we need to do this which steps, or yes, we call it steps, and this is in each loop of it print I number more. We begin with I number more, and this we need now we need to create in the for loop a for loop. And because it loops faster, integer 1 0. Now here we need to initialize a integer names step, it's 0 on begin. Each time it comes here it does step plus plus, means increment it to 1. And here we use, and here we do it simple I step, and here I plus plus, and here we simply cout the user input, but without end line, and the end line we do here cout like this. Yes. Now it should be, no, it's not like I wanted. End line. Now we have this, what I wanted. That's why I call it step, because it looks like a okay, here we go. Now we do it again one time. Now we need exactly the opposite, and this can we do, I mean, which is exactly opposite. Instead of one more, we need it do which white jars are like this. White jars are this. Okay, we need how we do this. I would say we need to, but this need we to do before this. We need to it which integer 1 0 1. This we need to make the letter 1 plus plus. Of course 2 are, and now what we need to do? We need to create. We begin with 0. I think maybe the same like I try this step, but here we do the same like here, just with white spaces. What happens if we do this? Let me copy this and open my editor. Nothing. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and here we do nothing, and here we do 0 1 2 2 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Yes, like this we need this to do. But it's the size. The size what we chose. And this is how much often the white space get called. This should us give. Yep, now we have this. And now we just need to print in the exactly opposite. And this we do in again a for loop. Here. We need here create a integer reverse. And this is the size. And the size of this reverse get always after it only here smaller. Means here is sorry, not the size. The reverse here reverse integer I is size, but the size gets smaller. I mean reverse. And reverse what gets smaller need to come to the 0. For we copy this. No, short simple, it come 2 times. No, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And now we need to reverse this. Means we need to loop, we need some variable to come to the number. We need first to do this. Yeah, because this is how much times it comes. But what if we... Okay, I need this to understand. We have here step. Step is 1. Step is 2. Step is 3. Step is 4. Step is 5. Okay. Now we need, but just 5. Just 5 means we need step minus 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to reserve is. Means we need to reverse. This is step minus 1. Okay. Step minus 1. It's always step minus. We don't need even this because it's always step minus 1. If it's 0, smaller, I mean reverse is so much times, but I need to start 0, and I need to start in reverse. I hope it don't come to endless loop. And it happened nothing. Okay, now we have 0, 1, 1. But we need this in the exactly opposite white, means before this, or okay, it works. And now we need the chair letters are always same. This makes no sense, to be honest. It must be step Now we have, but we need the exact opposite. It's step 0. I need to be decrement, and I need to start with the size like this. Yes, this makes sense. No. I do it again not. But you see, in the form, I don't know why I don't do like it. Because size is always same. And step increment. But we need decrement. We need a integer anti-step. This is the size simple. Just that anti-step minus minus, it decrement, and here anti-step like this. Now it should. Here we go. Now we have a pyramid. This takes me just 50 minutes. And yeah, now you see it works, and it should work. Which please start. Thanks. 0, 55. The vector have just a size from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means the max size must be 10, means 11, and here the same, set to 10, and now it should perfect work. 0, 10, and here we go. Oops, now we have it, and now we just need to copy this pyramid code and paste it here, because it's the same. Just that here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Characters means here 26, and here 26, and here should to just work fine. 1, 26, and yeah, it works fine. And the same we do here. We just copy here the code of this, and this should work fine. 10, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 5, 7, and make ready. Yep, this works just too fine. And yeah, we have it. You saw it works fine, and like this you can create a pyramid. How much lines out is? 150. Alright, I hope you enjoyed to watch this video. If yes, leave a like there, and a sub, and a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye!